Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome back to Esther Chris TV. Hope everyone is doing well out there. Thank you for the support. Thank you for my returning subscribers. I so much appreciate you all. Please, if today is your first time of coming across this channel, please do consider to subscribe. Click the bell notification so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be notified. Okay, I want to show us how to prepare natural cough medicine. This natural cough medicine works effectively. Honestly speaking, I can't just come and lie to you because I want you to watch my videos. No, you will try it and write at the comment section how the outcome is. All you need is 2 ingredients, just 2 ingredients. This is what you need: honey, ginger and honey is what you need. So let's see how to prepare it. Okay, you grate the ginger using the smaller side of the grater. It takes a little time and patience. This is after grating the ginger. Please don't add water. Then I'm going to be using this cup and sieve to bring out the juice. So I want to squeeze out the juice. No water, like I said. You do same with the remaining ones. This is after squeezing out the juice. Then the next thing is to add 2 teaspoons of honey. After which I will be mixing everything together. You can see the honey is down there, so I'm going to mix it until it melts. That's it. Our cough medicine is ready. That's all you need to do. That's all. When you notice that your child is for adults also, please, it's spicy. It's spicy, be like say pepper day, but the honey in it reduces the hotness of the ginger. So if you notice that your child, once you notice just 1 spoon of this. The good thing about this is that there is no overdose. There is no overdose. So you can give your child. My daughter is 3 years. I gave her only 2 spoons of this yesterday and that was it. So this is how you prepare it. You know we are in the season of cough everywhere. So adults, you take this teaspoon, 2. Children, just 1. If they are at home or 2, 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, 1 in the night. Adult, as many as you want to take. Before you know it, cough will be gone. Try it and thank me. Thank you very much, everyone. God bless you all. See you in my next video. Bye.